Hey, good afternoon. I just wanted to show a quick installation on the 93 Suburban. Wanted to install a remote oil filter. This originally had an oil cooler in it, and the original oil cooler, probably within the first 3 or 4 years that this truck was new, was leaking like a sieve, and nobody ever addressed it. So it saturated the entire undercarriage and top side of the engine with engine oil over a period of about 30 years, which that's no good. So I pulled the oil coolers, the lines off, and then when I put the new radiator in, I just left them blanked. And I thought, well, instead of putting a new cooler in, I'll just remote the oil filter with one of the kits. And the kit I used here is a Summit kit. It's a Summit branded kit, however, it is a name brand. I don't know if you can see that. That is the brand that came with it. The lines that I used were 10AN braided stainless, and those are PTFE hoses inside that braided stainless. So 10AN fittings. There's 90s up here, and on the engine block, I don't know if you can see. I'll try to get a better light here. Maybe I'll crawl underneath so you can see it a little better. You can see those are 45s coming off of that. Now you see how when GM designed this vehicle, let me get under here a little better. When GM designed the vehicle, obviously the oil filter boss comes right on top of that drive shaft. So after I got rid of the cooler, I had blocked the lines off. You could probably see the two plugs where the oil cooler lines were. There's the adapter for the four-wheel drive models, and then there's where the stock filter would have went. You need to use the two adapters they give you with this, because the oil filter boss is bigger than the adapter. So, but they do give you all the right adapting tools and fittings. So you see those are 10AN adapted, half-inch NPT. In and out, very simple. I already road tested it. I put it through a couple thermal cycles, and it works really well. No more, every time you change the oil, and for those of you that know this, that you dump oil and it's almost impossible to stop it unless you find a way to direct it. Dumps it on the drive shaft, and over years it just becomes a mess. So remoting it up here actually helps out quite a bit. It will not use the stock filter. You have to use, in this case they give you a couple of Fram options, but I use Baldwin filters, so that's a B2, and that's different from the different diameter, different thread size from the OE filter, but it is a large enough filter. I did buy 10 feet of line, and that's all it is just two 5-foot sections. I was going to cut it shorter, and I thought, no, I'll leave the lines there in case maybe I want to do something else with it, because it's not really hurting anything. But you see how I routed it through between the somewhat dysfunctional ABS unit, straight down through between the brake lines, and that worked out really well. So thanks for watching. If you're wanting to do this, this is actually worthwhile doing. Again, if you need parts descriptions or anything, shoot me a comment, and I'll put some links in the description of what I purchased and where. Thank you.